You've probably seen a lot of TEDx talks on YouTube, maybe even used them to improve your English or learn new skills. But have you ever wondered what's really going on behind the scenes? What does an in person TEDx event look like, and who runs these events and why? For me, it was all mystery until I became a TEDx organizer. Since last year, I've been organizing TEDx events in The Hague, hosting, facilitating, and leading the marketing team. So, in this video, I'll pull back the curtain and share some TEDx secrets. First, let's clear something up. TEDx is a nonprofit. It's run entirely by volunteers. While TED, the main organization, is based in Canada, local TEDx events are organized by independent teams all over the world. There might be one in your city too. So I grew up watching TEDx YouTube videos, and I was always fond of public speaking. Naturally, I was very drawn to TEDx, but I never knew anyone from that organization, and it seemed like an exclusive private box. And then I moved to the Netherlands. And naturally, I wanted to meet more people and to integrate. So one of the local recruiters I spoke with suggested volunteering. Seems that in the Netherlands, volunteering is treated as work experience. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna volunteer. I volunteered at an animal shelter for a while, but it didn't really connect to my skills. And then scrolling through events in The Hague, I just stumbled upon a TEDx event. And you know these moments when you realize that you've been waiting for this opportunity your whole life. That was it. I immediately realized that I have to be there. Even if I'm just sweeping the floors, I don't care. So on this event, I just joined the volunteering team. And thing is, the community has been dormant for over 5 years. So we basically had to rebuild the community from scratch. Most independent local teams organize only one TEDx event per year, that annual big event with the speakers, with a round red carpet, what TEDx is really known for. But that alone is not enough to build a community. So we decided to host smaller monthly events too, 3 months to be precise. So by November last year, we had run 20 smaller events and one big event, which was actually a blast. Now, the idea of treating it as a community rather than a one-time event is not really common. But I mean, every organizing team is different. Our team, for example, is one of the most active, if not the most active, in the Netherlands. I mean, you can go to TEDx website and just see how many events we are running. These are official events. So a lot of people were actually asking, what is a TEDx community? What topics do you discuss? What does it look like? TEDx is a community of people passionate about big ideas. Our English-speaking community in The Hague is full of expats from all over the world, from all walks of life. Our attendees and our volunteers range from 20 plus to 50 plus. And our events mostly feature topics around personal development. I mean, here are the topics we've had last year. Reinvent yourself, from passion to profit, unconditionally loved, identity, the art of connection. TEDx The Hague is a place for citizens of the world. And during our events, I know that might sound grand, but I look at this amazing mix of people from all over, and just for 2 hours, we pull away the divisiveness. We pull away the terrible news we're getting every day, and the weight of the world just lifts. We breathe together, we stay together, we laugh together, we are connected. Profoundly, simply beautiful. It's a place to experience humanity, and in a small way, it feels like we're bringing the world together. We're uniting the world. And that's why it matters. That's why it matters to me. But back to the organization. Within the big volunteering team, there are smaller teams. One does marketing and PR for our events. Another is looking for sponsors. As the main event approaches, speaker selection and production teams also kick into gear. By the way, speaking of the main event, it's a huge undertaking. The volunteering team has to find sponsors to fund it, book and prepare the venue, select 6 to 10 speakers, book performers, more on that in a sec, sell tickets, and much more. Out of all of these tasks, of course, sponsors are essential. As a nonprofit, TEDx relies on them worldwide. And if you're wondering, why would they sponsor an event like this? Well, they can partner with a positive brand, make an impact, and have a direct connection to our audience, which Depending on the license, can be from 100 to 500 people, and even more. If your organization is interested in sponsoring a TEDx The Hague event, let me know or just contact. When we were preparing the main event, one thing that really surprised me is that the main event isn't just talks. It's a 3 to 4 hour experience with speakers and performers. And also with drinks and catering. Because honestly, listening to 8 speakers in a row is intense. I've been to the TEDx Amsterdam event last year, and I can tell you for a fact that your brain needs a break halfway. The talks that are posted to the TEDx YouTube channel are from 7 to 16 or to 20 minutes, right? On an event like this, we're asking for 16 minutes. And then at the post production stage, these are reduced to 12 or maybe even 10. That is why TEDx organizers typically invite some kind of performers to join the main TEDx event. Selling tickets ain't a small feat either. I guess I used to believe that TEDx brand is so powerful that once you post an event like this online, the tickets will just fly. But having led the PR and marketing team, that wasn't easy. And if you don't have any sponsors, ticket sales is your only budget. And even though we reached out to a lot of communities here and we reached out to the press, to the media, it wasn't exactly easy. But we sold out. And if you're interested in how we sold out, I can create a separate video on that. So let me know in the comments. Oh, and hosting. Usually it's the organizers who host the main event. That part won't be on the official TEDx channel, but it's a lot of fun. In the end, our main event went beautifully. The team did an amazing job. The venue was fantastic. I was incredibly proud. And it wasn't just my version of what happened. Actually, out of 8 talks we hosted, 2 of them were selected for the big TED YouTube channel, which is called Editor's Pick, and that rarely happens. But still, you might have a question. Anna, this sounds like a lot of work. Why would you do that for free? Well, there are a few reasons. First, volunteering is a great way to understand what you're really passionate about. If you're switching careers or you move to another country and you would love to start a new life. I hosted 8 events, including the big one, and I realized that this is my passion. This is what I would love to do. Second, volunteering is a powerful career catalyst in the Netherlands. Dutch employees truly value this experience. And again, it's a powerful way to switch careers, gain new skills, or just meet new people. This is the perfect way to build your confidence. Would you love to switch to marketing? You have this opportunity. And I'm not just talking about TEDx The Hague. There are a lot of volunteering opportunities out there. If you have an idea of what you would love to do on your mind and you just don't seem to get the right opportunity, and also maybe you're not that confident to look for a paid gig, volunteering is an excellent way to try out. Try out and just see how you feel, whether you would love to continue with that career track, and maybe whether there are some skills that you would need to build. I joined the community because of the TEDx brand, because I wanted to give a TED Talk, but I eventually stayed because of the people. Joining a community like this is an excellent way to build up your visibility and also start getting opportunities your way. I met incredible people from all over the world. I started to get more speaking gigs. So becoming a TEDx organizer, or co-organizer in my case, is a decision that I will never regret. If you're in the Netherlands and you would like to join our community, attend our events, or join our volunteering team, let me know in the comments and let's connect. Hope you found this interesting. What would you love to learn about TEDx? Thanks for watching and see you next week.